English animal collection. To be a guinea pig. To be a night owl. The cat that got the cream. To be as stubborn as a mule. Kill two birds with one stone. To be a guinea pig. To be the first person to try out a new product, treatment, or experiment, often at some risk or uncertainty. The company is looking for volunteers to be guinea pigs for their new software update before it's released to the public. To be a night owl. To be a person who stays up very late at night, often for work or leisure activities. I've always been a night owl, so I often stay up reading a book until the early hours of the morning. The cat that got the cream. This phrase describes a person who is very pleased with themselves and their accomplishments, often with an air of smugness. She walked into the meeting room looking like the cat that got the cream, having just closed a major deal for the company. To be as stubborn as a mule. It means to be a person who is very difficult to convince or persuade, often resistant to change or new ideas. My grandfather is as stubborn as a mule and refuses to try any new technologies or gadgets. Kill two birds with one stone. This is to accomplish two tasks at once, often with a single action or effort. She brought her laptop to the coffee shop so she could work on her project and meet with her friend at the same time, killing two birds with one stone.